Hi, welcome to the Pajama Mama, where we help moms and dads fire their boss and hire their kids. And more importantly, we help mom and dads be able to work at home in their PJs. Yes! Okay, so with that in mind, I got a question from wonderful Danny. And hey, Danny, how you doing? In regards to, she's trying to figure out, what type of home-based business that she can do. She wants to be able to stay at home and work home with her PJs, and that is a really good question. A lot of people wonder, what can I do? How can I serve the world to help me accomplish my dream of being able to stay at home, as well as help fulfill other people's dreams in order to accomplish whatever it is that they want to do. So one of the key things that I tell people to do is find out what you love to do, figure out how you get paid to do it, and I promise you, you'll never work a day in your life. So let me give you some examples. There are a lot of called niches that are out there that are really great for people. Let's talk about in the health arena. For example, let's say you have, like for myself and my family, you decide a new diet that you're really into. You're into vegan, foods or clean foods or paleo or keto is the now. Keto diet is the new now thing that everybody's getting into. So let's say you're a keto fanatic and you love that diet. It has worked for you. You've lost 150,000 pounds or something like that. Or let's say, for instance, I'm getting ready to come out with a product now dealing with fasting. Been fasting for 40-something years, but now everybody's into intermittent fasting and water fasting and dry fasting and all those type of things. So what I did was, knowing my background as a naturopathic doctor, et cetera. And like I said, I've been doing it. The good thing about it is you don't need to have all these professional degrees and certifications. You just got to be about it. Walk the walk and talk the talk. Matter of fact, people are kind of like not into the so-called experts because people have gone to experts before, and let's just say they haven't really fully been practicing what they're preaching. We've all been to a doctor who looks like he's about to deliver somebody any day now, 8 months pregnant, and he's trying to teach you how to become healthy. So they're looking for people who are more authentic, who are more living the life, have had personal experience. Matter of fact, I know of a guy who he basically cured himself of cancer on a natural diet regime, and he basically created a website sharing people his natural remedies that helped him cure himself of cancer. And now, I think his name is Chris B. Cancer. He developed a program and product and things of that nature to teach people alternative, measures in order to heal themselves of cancer. Very popular, making a living at it. I think he's making 6, if not possibly 7 figures out doing the business now by just literally saving his own life. So that kind of gives you an example of, the blessings that everybody's got a gift. Everybody's got a talent. The only problem is so many people have taken for granted that gift and that natural gift and talent, and they think, oh well, since it's so easy for me, surely it's easy for everybody else. Not true. And also, like I said, you don't have to be an expert. Let's say, for example, you're at the intermediate level as far as piano is concerned. A lot of people want to learn how to play the piano. I know a guy who created a 6-figure business teaching people how to play the piano with one finger, and it's like I said, it's making a whole lot of money just teaching people beginners piano lessons, something that he liked to do, something that he learned how to do it, etc., and became gifted at it. So that's what you need to sit down and brainstorm about. Get out a piece of paper, get out a pencil, write down, those things you get. Is it in the health arena? Is it in the hobby arena? People made a lot of money teaching people how to make kitchen, chicken coops, dog houses, teaching people how to do basic plumbing, around inside their home, handyman, craft. Some people are mechanics, very good at doing that, paint jobs, etc. They created a YouTube channel teaching people, various skills as far as, their expertise is concerned. The beautiful thing about it is with the online effect, it can really take absolutely nobody into becoming a somebody. We've heard about, Instagram stars. Right now I saw, her name is Britt Babe. She's an Instagram star, and now she's on an episode of Jada Pinkett Smith, show the red table, sharing how, while she was going to college, she loved to exercise and work out, shares her regime every single day. Now she makes six figures doing that, and it's nothing to do with the college degree that she has right now. But let's just say her college degree is paid for being based upon her fitness business that she created online and developed fame and fortune now, based upon celebrities now taking her to the next level. Now she's a celebrity fitness trainer for, the celebrities out there making some really serious dough. So, along the way, let's say you maybe not be natural talented, but it's something that you're good at, something that you're proficient at, and more importantly, something that other people are willing to pay to learn how to do. Okay? So, like I said, let's finish brainstorming. So let's say you're in money and finance. Okay, so there was another diva who's literally making $100,000 a month via her finance blog of teaching people to get their financial act together. She had, listen to this is her tragedy. She had student loans up to about $40,000, graduated from college, having difficulty paying it off. So basically what she did was journal, which is a blog, journal her experience as far as paying off her loan, and other people had that same type of how can I pay for my loan to experience, student loan experience. And so she basically shared her information. From doing that, she basically taught people how to make money blogging online. So she made all her money blogging online. In 1 year, I think she made $40,000. Her debt that she owed, back, was the $40,000. She paid off her loan, via making money online, blogging, teaching people how to do that. Lo and behold, she got what she needed to get done. She helped people create, experiences as far as creating a blog for themselves. I know a mom blogger who, like me, in a nutshell, she went to stay home with her kids. She's an engineer in a degree, but can't be, away from your kids 24 hours a day and then be able to be an engineer and then be able to raise them and give them a quality of life. She wanted to stay at home. She created Start a Blog Mom. And lo and behold, she made her first year $70,000. So these are just, some of the things that you can do via teaching people basic things, paying off their student loan, getting good credit, being a financial planner, how to make money online, which I'm able to do. And that's how I was able to do that. I made money via Amazon FBA, selling products online. And I give you an example. One of my products is a dog supplement that I sell on Amazon FBA, and I got a really cool letter the other day of a pet parent who basically thanked me so much for the product because it really helped her dog go through seizures and help stop minimizing seizures and live a great quality of life. So I get to have my cake and eat it too. I'm a naturopathic doctor, created a health product for dogs that helped them get rid of seizures and pain and things of that nature. And now I'm making other people happy and they're paying me for it. And I get to stay at home and share this information with you and teach you how to basically make money online and stay at home. And so I'm happy, there's a saying that goes, help people get what they want, and then in turn, you will get what you want. So that's what you need to do. Let me give you another example. There was another guy who he liked to fly planes, okay? African-American guy, he liked to fly planes, but he really couldn't afford to do it, going to helicopter school and things of that nature. And what he ended up doing was figuring out that a lot of people love the flying planes for, let's say, to bring in the new year up in the air, to do marriage proposals, wedding rides, just to go on an adventure, for, their birthday, to ride a plane around the city and things of that nature. So what he did was he created a business and centered around that, got his business plan going, got investors, and basically bought about 6, helicopter planes, etc. Started basically promoting it and doing helicopter rides along the city, tour of the city for people who, sometimes people are moving to a new location, they need a helicopter ride to see, where they want to live, what city and community. And so he took them a tour of the city, and I think maybe it was in New York City, and lo and behold, created 6-7 figure doing that. And so other people started working for him who liked to ride the helicopter too. And, sometimes, going below, what you're used to. I mean, some people don't need to make, 6 or 7 figures to make a decent living and doing what they love to do and make them happy. The quality of life is so much important than the quantity of how much money you're making. That is worth it. I've had people who were get into, make money at home type of businesses and things of that nature that were accountants and lawyers and doctors and, farmers and, because they found out that, they did it because they were skilled at it, but it didn't give them their passion. So, find out, take that passion and what you like to do. You may be able to sing. You may be able to dance. You may be able to be a good director. You may be a good actor. So now, if you're a good actor, now you're giving acting classes to individuals. Matter of fact, I know a gentleman whom was a extra or a character in some of Tyler Perry movies here in Atlanta. If you know, in Atlanta, the Georgia area is a great place. Now Hollywood has moved here because it's cheaper land and cheaper resources to do their Hollywood production, movies and things of that nature. They still got the quote unquote city type of lifestyle environment for scenes and things of that nature. So they moved out here, and basically now he's offering acting lessons to teach people how to become actors and actresses, and he's got a website and people find him online, and nutshell they sign up for his acting classes. So he's fulfilling his purpose, he's living his dream, and he's out helping other people grow and learn how to live their dream too. So I hope that gives you, can you sing, without a blink of an eye? Can you play an instrument, without taking lessons, etc.? And that now you can enable yourself to do that, create some videos online with a membership program, and people can come and join your membership program and pay $7, $8. You get 100 people to do that, and $20, $30, $40 or $50 a month. My goodness, you're making, what, $50,000 a year, No, that's that much. Let me see, a month. Let's see. If you get $50 a month, you get 100 people to do that. That's $5,000 a month. You can't beat that. $5,000 a month. A lot of people could definitely make a living doing that, and promote your wares online and offline, and you're living a great life. So that's what you need to do. Find out what you love to do. Figure out you can pay to do it. You never work a day in your life. Do me a favor. If you like this type of information, let's brainstorm together. Let's build on this. A matter of fact, I'm about to create a course teaching people to do that. Basically teaching people how to blog, to make a life for themselves and enjoy that life, and sharing the skills and talents with other people who want to do the same. Okay? It's really that simple. So do me a favor. Subscribe, like, comment, give ideas of niches that you've tapped into if you've already had some success, or you're kind of stumbling block and you need some, input on how you can take it to the next level. Maybe you are making $1,000 a month, but you want to take it to $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Then, give me your information, comment below. We'll be happy to fulfill that information. In the meantime, go to, The Pajama Mama, and that definitely subscribe there. We've got tons of information to get your personal financial act together. Yeah, we're doing that this month. As well, Moolah Manifestation is about to come out, as well as definitely cue in on what you want to do for the near future. And we'll be happy to give you some tips and tricks in order to be able to do that, or more importantly, join our program, and we'll definitely take you to the next level and possibly even get you on TV, sharing your skills and your talents with the world. Talk to you soon. Ilan Bomani, The Pajama Mama. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye for now.